Oh, how's it going, Toby?
Toby.
What's fucked up over here?
Oh, this fucking alternators or the fucking starters fucked up. Let's start that shit over. Today's episode was fucked up. That fucking starter is fucked up.
Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
The
shit.
customer tried turning it on and
What was it making? Was this making a crunchy noise, huh?
yeah, that shit's dead.
Like your ass cheeks when they grind together, huh?
Maybe.
Oh, fuck.
We're gonna find out.
We're about to find out right
We're
now.
gonna do a sound comparison.
Alright. What are you doing, Toby?
Not much. I don't really think. I just do.
Is that right?
Sometimes.
Damn. That's cool. Right on. What's all that movement back there?
I think something grabbed my hand.
Oh, fuck. You're stuck?
I'm
You're not stuck no more.
Nope, no big
Oh,
big bro right here.
Yeah, I am big bro, homie.
Alright, so the starter's right there.
Where's it at? Where's the starter? That's the starter right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna remove it, put the new one in, see if it works. If it don't work, throw away the whole car.
Fuck.
It's still threaded in there.
Come on, guy.
That thread is long as fuck.
You know what else is long?
Not like your wiener, okay?
Yeah,
my
fierro.
fucking mountain right here.
Yeah, right. Shit.
Not like my lobster.
What, guy?
I talk to myself enough.
Hurry up.
Yeah?
Pull it out.
You always want me to pull it out. I want to keep it in. There you go.
About time.
This shit looks like my chode.
This guy. How's it going, Toby?
Oh, it's all good. The new starter's in.
Uh-huh.
You got all the connections in there. It's all connected with the bolts and everything.
Oh, fuck.
It's fucked up.
Oh, shit.
I'm just kidding.
Fucked it up already?
It's good. We just snugged this one down because apparently you only got to snug this down kind of softly. Otherwise, you'll snap it off.
Oh, okay.
Just for future reference, you know. It's connected. It's ready to go. Just put back everything together. Start it up. See if it works.
All right. For
Should
sure.
work.
Jackass. So the car has been finished. Everything's been put together. Starter's in, you know. Oh, that's fucked up. All right, brother. You just got to start it now. For sure, for sure, for sure. Oh, they're like, that's not fucked up.
It's a weird looking Honda Civic.
That's an Accord, guy. Fucking jackass.
Oh, she's saying it right now.
All right, for sure.